Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on Xiaomi Redmi 9 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create an opening near the charger port. Insert a picker through the frame and the back cover, and then by using a plastic car pry tool, gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips by the frame. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. And also do not forget to disconnect the flash plug and the shield. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery, LCD and main flex cables. Next, take out the broken battery by loosening the adhesive. Release both tabs and extract the adhesive gently. Next, place the new replacement battery and add new adhesive to the battery. Next, connect the LCD, battery and main flex plugs into the logic board. Next, place the mainboard frame on the logic board and insert 11 screws. Do not forget to connect the flasher plug and the shield by adding the screw on the bottom right. Finally, add the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.